Hmm. Hello everyone, myself Soumyagiri, research scholar in Department of Physics, Bundelkhand University, Jhansi, UP. Here I am going to represent my topic, effect of aluminium ion substitution on magnetic properties of nano-sized barium hexaferrite in the International Wave Conference on Advanced Material Science and Nanotechnology, NanoMat 2020. Outline of my presentation: introduction, synthesis method, characterization techniques, result and discussions, conclusion and references. First of all, introduction. The crystal structure of barium hexaferrite is hexagonal and it has a space group of p63 mmc. It is the superposition of a spinel block and hexagonal block. Barium hexaferrite material has so many applications like recording media, storage devices, microwave devices, etc. Due to its high Curie temperature values, saturation, magnetization, corrosivity, etc. Synthesis method, solid auto combustion method is used in our research work. It has many advantages like simple equipment, low cost and low sintering temperature, less time for processing, etc. Here material are used: ferric nitrate, aluminium nitrate, barium nitrate, urea. Urea is used here for reducing agent or fuel, and nitrate are used as oxidants. Synthesis procedure, here diagram form. First of all, we make sol of urea and nitrates, then heated on the hot plate at 80 degrees Celsius. After that, a viscous gel is obtained. Then burn combustion in the microwave oven, we get loose powder. Then sintering in the muffle furnace, we get the ash. After that, we are grinding all the samples, all the powder obtained in the ash form up to the 800 degrees Celsius temperature. After that, we get fine powder for further characterization. Characterization techniques: first of all, XRD, X-ray diffractometer, then scanning electron microscope, tunneling electron microscope, TEM, and for magnetic properties analysis, VSM, vibratic sample magnetometer. Result part: XRD. Table 1 shows the structural parameter of the barium ferrite sample form. In the table 1 we can see that lattice parameter A and C values. Lattice parameter A and C both value are decreases by aluminium ion substitution, and porosity is increases, crystal size decreases, cell volume is also decreases. These values are decreases by aluminium ion substitution due to the small ionic radii of aluminium ion. Figure 1 shows the XRD patterns. Figure 1A is a pure barium ferrite sample and figure 1B is aluminium substituted. Figure 1B shows the higher value, two theta value are shifted toward the higher value. It is due to the aluminium doping. Shifting occurs due to the replacement of Fe3 ions by aluminium ions. Since the ionic radii of aluminium is smaller than Fe, it is going to occupy a tetrahedral side of the hexagonal structure, so that escape plane gets shifted to the higher theta position. Come to the next slide. Morphological. Figure 3A and B show the EDS spectrum. We show the elements are present in our sample formed. Figure 1A is pure barium ferrite and figure 3 is pure sample, and figure 3B is substituted. Here figure 4 A and B bar show the same images, and figure 4C and D show the 10 images. Same images show the hexagonal shape and agglomeration of the particle forms, and figure C and D 10 images show the nano size of particle form. Here magnetic properties of table 2. Table shows the magnetic properties. In the table 2 we can see that MS values, saturation, magnetization, and SC value. MS value decreases and SC values increases by aluminium ion substitution. It is due to the replacement of Fe3 ion that has magnetic moment of 5 μb by aluminium ion have zero magnetic moment. 85% of aluminum ion occupies octahedral site and 15% occupies tetrahedral site. Decrease in MS due to the aluminum ion substituted by Fe3 at the spin-up state in the hexagonal structure. Here hysteresis loop shows here resonance magnetization, that is MR value, is directly calculated from the hysteresis loop, which is shown in figure 5. Come to the our conclusion. Finally, conclusion is here. Aluminum substituted barium hexagonal nanoparticles have been synthesized successfully by Solder auto combustion technique. Particle XRD shows the particle size decreases from 26.26 nanometer to 23.21 nanometer. Here a secondary phase of alpha phase is also obtained, and this image shows the agglomeration of the particle. 10 images confirm the nano range of prepared sample, and magnetic property shows the decrease in magnetization values with aluminum ion substitution. Effect of aluminum ion substitution shows this type of prepared ferrite material used for storage devices, recording media and permanent magnet etc. Prepared material shows the nature of hard ferrite. It is also due to the high QR ratio of sample form. Here these are some references we have used in our PPT, and then thank you.